This Thai salmon glass noodle salad is an all-season delight. I love how quick and easy it is to put together. It is healthy and wonderfully delicious. You need to try. First, soak the glass noodles in room temperature water for 5 minutes until softened. For the salad dressing, toast 1 tablespoon of raw peanuts in a frying pan over medium-high heat until golden brown. Remove from heat and use a mortar and pestle to grind the peanuts into fine powder. Set the peanut powder aside, and we are going to use this for the salad dressing. In a large bowl, adding 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, then adding the peanut powder. Next, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix well and set it aside. Next, let's boil a pot of water. Cook the soaked glass noodles in boiling water for about 2 minutes until just cooked and tender. Do not overcook the noodles as you don't want it to get soggy. Then rinse the noodles with cold water for a few times to get a better chewy texture. Drain the noodles and place the noodles in a large serving plate. Now adding 2 sliced shallots on top. Then adding 250 grams of smoked salmon. Flake the salmon into large chunks and add to the plate. You are always welcome to cook your own fresh salmon fillets and add them to your salad. Next, we are gonna add in some fresh herbs. Fresh herbs are essential to the taste of the salad. I add in about 1/4 cups of coriander and 1/4 cups of mint leaves. You can always adjust the amount according to your own taste. Then sprinkle 1/4 cups of chopped green onions on top. Now gently pour in the salad dressing. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit more of salad dressing on top and some extra green onions. You can also sprinkle with extra chili flakes for the color and taste. Look how beautiful the color is, and I can't wait to taste it. This Thai-style salmon glass noodle salad is simple and quick to make with refreshing and unforgettable flavors. It is perfect as an appetizer or a light meal at any time of the day. I hope you can give it a try. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye!